Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to scan using this device. So, firstly, if you want to scan image, not to copy, but if you want to scan and get this image, get this document on your device, you need to install the program for this device. For example, for iOS and Android devices, you have HP Smart application, and the same application you have for Mac OS and for Windows devices. So if you want to scan any document, for example, I will scan using my using my iOS device. So if you want to scan, you just need to connect to your printer using this application and just click to printer scan. But firstly, I just need to place the document in my printer. So for example, I will place this image in my printer. So to do it, I just need to open this cover. It's very easy to do. So just open this cover and place your document here. Then close your cover again and just click printer scan. Just click printer scan button, and here choose photo mode or document mode or batch mode, of course. I want to use photo mode because I want to have color scan. If you want to have black and white scan, you need to choose document mode. But I want to use photo mode, and just click on this button and wait a while. Great! As you can see, scanning was successfully finished and image was successfully scanned. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.